Good morning, good morning, good morning. What a beautiful morning it is. Welcome back to my channel. It's so noisy outside because it's rush hour. Apologies for that. Anyway, how are we all doing today? I feel like, oh my god. Yeah, this is how I woke up, guys. This is how I woke up. I feel so happy this morning. I have woken up on the right side of the bed. Let's move away from that noisy traffic because that's just not cool at all. We're having a bad hair day. Let's ignore all of that. Like, what is happening here? Anyway, I am in a super excited mood today. Super excited, despite the fact that my hair looks like something that birds would nest in, and the fact that my face looks like I don't know what. But I am in such a happy form because I am going to the range today and IKEA. I've made my list. I know what I want. I'm gonna go in, get it, and get out. The other place I'm going to is the range. I need to have a look at everything that's in there, the beautiful homeware, the Christmas decorations. Come on, guys, we know how, we know the situation, we know. So that is my POA today. Right now I'm gonna make some coffee because that's important too. Okay, so there's been a slight change in plan. I'm still going to the range, I'm still going to IKEA, but I'm gonna go with my mama there, which is great because I'm gonna get her to come along with me and like help me pick out things. Even though I have my list and I'm sticking to my list, primarily to my list, she's gonna be able to help with the like carrying things. Yes, and at least I know that she'll actually enjoy the experience because John does not really like IKEA like most men. Like, I know my dad is probably like the exception to that rule, but most men are just kind of like not really getting the whole homeware thing. They're like, I don't get like when we need to wander around 17 aisles, do you not know that you need like a baking dish? And I'm like, yeah, but you have to wander around all the aisles because you have to look at all the displays and make a list. And John does not get that, and he's just not, you know, he's not feeling that vibe, which is okay, that's cool. You know, I like IKEA, he doesn't. We bond over different things, we have other interests. So I am happy out to go with my mama, and I'm actually delighted and get to spend the day with her, so that's so much fun. So let's do that instead. We're having our cup of coffee and I'm just going to kind of chill for a little bit, get dressed, put makeup on, and then head out the door. Gonna go pick up my mom and bring her out to IKEA. I think, yeah, IKEA first, then the range. I think that would be the best plan. So this is what we're wearing today, this little teddy bear jacket that I got in Penny's the other day. My black Zara jeans, which I'm obsessed with. My new Public Desire shoes, which I'm obsessed with. And then just a plain black long sleeve top. I got this 2 sizes bigger than I normally would wear because it's nice and cozy to wrap up in, which is exactly what I want for this autumn winter season. Right, so I'm off. These collars are so big, I feel like I could take flight. I'm going to bring laundry to get done as well, and then I think I'm pretty much done. So we're going off shopping! Hey! I'm wearing a new lipstick from that cosmetics brand Note, and I don't think I've ever used like many of their products, or like their products haven't interested me, let's say, before. But trying this lipstick out, it feels really good quality. It's amazing on my lips. I can't remember the name, but I'll write it down below and I'll link it if you want. I'll link all my makeup that I'm wearing today, because a lot of people ask if I can do an everyday makeup look, and this is basically it. This is all I wear on an everyday basis. If I am going to be wearing makeup, it's so basic, and then I just add lashes if I want it more dramatic, and also if I just want, like, I don't know, a different coloured lip, you switch it up on a different day, or if you want like more intensity, put deeper colours on the lid. It's just very basic. I don't really switch it up too much lately, especially with like the move and everything like that. I just wasn't really bothered experimenting with like different makeup and kind of different looks and stuff, because I just didn't have the time to do it. But anyway, that is the basic girl makeup look. We're at the range, let's go shopping. Super excited to go into the range. I'm actually looking for a few things. Like, I'm looking for a poof, and I'm looking for seagulls are fighting over a bag of chips. I think there's like McDonald's on the ground. Yeah, so I'm looking for like a poof, and I'm looking for a couple of other like little bits. Like, when I see them, I will know. Yeah, so that's basically it. I'll take us around the range and we'll see what's in it. Halloween. Let's get a little basket for ourselves. Homeware heaven. This is homeware heaven. That's what I was told. Look at this. Wow, so pretty. It's a bit extra though for me. Look at these things, all these little flower arrangements and petals. This place is epic. Why is it taking me so long to come in here? Look at that. New York. Way too big though. See the world. These are so nice. I need paintings and stuff for the apartment. Picture frames. That's, I need to get loads of them. They're only $1.75. That's very good, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, look, that one's so nice. Oh yeah, lovely ones from China. Yeah, to get my scooter. Oh, look at these little things, they're so cute. Look at the flower, glassware. Oh, the keys, that's very handy. We have something like that. Yeah, so do. Oh, look at the little shops too. That's so cute. Beachy vibes. Oh, they're lovely. I have nowhere to put them.
No, don't get anything.
No, I'm not going to get anything that I don't have anywhere to put. They're nice. It's the plant aisle. Oh, look. A flamenco money box. Oh. There's more Buddhas.
Where are your flowers?
Yeah, it's lovely. That's an outdoor one though. Ooh, this is like all the flowers. This is all like flowers and stuff. Curtains, oh my god, yes.
I think you could probably get them cheaper.
Wow, look at that for a bin. No, it's a laundry basket actually. Is it? Wire basket, it doesn't really say what it is. Look what I found. Nice smells. Ooh, that's nice. That's exactly what I want now for putting towels and bed linen and stuff into. That's so nice. Ooh, that's very pretty. I like that. That's nice. I saw that on Amazon though for cheaper. Oh, look how cute these are, guys. Sugar, coffee, they're quite cute, but I think I have enough hearts all around the place. I don't really want to overwhelm poor old John with too many hearts. These are lovely as well. They're super cute. I like them as well. Rows and rows of Christmas stuff. How pretty. Ooh, mugs. Oh, they're really pretty mugs. I so am needing this. Yes, I have to get this. Okay, I need this in my life. And here we are, Christmas heaven. My good lord. If you need any Christmas products, you know where to come. I want a rose gold Christmas tree this year. With silver. Like this kind of blush pink. So we're at the next location, which is IKEA. So I got loads of stuff in the range that I needed, like a bin and like a glove for the oven and stuff. So next we're going to IKEA to get all the other bits that I need, which I'm very excited about. Me and my mama going shopping for the day. Yeah, so come along with me on our little journey. We go. I am getting a kitchen table today without fail. I have to get a kitchen table and I have to get a couple of other bits and pieces, like our bedside tables. I have everything in my mind. I know what I need. They have the little poofy here.
75 euros.
75. This is kind of like our couch. Oh. It's quite wonderful. That's a nice kitchen.
Something for your...
Ooh! This is a lovely kitchen. Oh look, that's actually what I do need as well, Mum, is more of these little jars. Yeah. Oh, look at this one here in the back. That's nice. They'd be lovely for the bathroom. I want one of these as well. Yeah. I need to get glasses. Them tiles are lovely. They'd be nice if they were grey. Look, maybe I might be able to get the stuff here. The rug is so nice. And more poofs. Ooh. I think I might stay here for the day and just relax on this couch. It's so nice. I want this pillow. Oh my god, I want this pillow. It's Christmas. Oh, these are lovely chairs as well. Couch heaven, guys. Oh look. Oh yeah, there's my cushions. I'm gonna get new covers. I might get different colour. Yeah, that's a nice set. That's one of them round tables that pulls into a longer one. Oh look, this is nice. More couch stuff. very minimalistic. What's that?
That unit.
There's what I was thinking of getting for...
Perfect.
Need to get these for John as well.
They're perfect.
It's a lovely little kitten. Yeah, the cream one's nice as well. Hi my loves. I'm just after getting into bed and I'm all toasty warm. John's just like getting ready, brushing his teeth and stuff to come to bed. I had such a lovely day because I got to spend it all with my mum, and I don't know, just had a really fun day. I got so much in IKEA and I can't wait to show you guys exactly what I got, but I will do like a haul tomorrow or something because my battery ran out when I was in IKEA obviously, and I didn't get to show you the end of it, but I'll show you everything tomorrow. But I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. I'm sure it's going to be particularly long. I had so much fun filming for you guys. I hope you guys had a fabulous day wherever you are in the world, and I hope tomorrow is just as wonderful. I will talk to you all tomorrow. Love you guys. Bye bye. Oh, and also stay tuned for the IKEA haul. I'm going to film that tomorrow.